Hi everyone, I am Mehul and today I'm talking about the Digitek wireless microphone and receiver. This microphone is perfect for anyone looking to record videos or stream live. It features a Type-C jack, receiver indicator, button long press to turn on off the microphone and a built-in 50 mAh Li poly battery for up to 4 hours of operation. It also has a transmitter indicator which flashes red and blue when charging and turns solid red when working. The Digitek wireless microphone and receiver is great for recording videos or streaming live. It is easy to use with its Type-C jack, receiver indicator and button long press feature. You can also make sure your microphone settings are enabled or used third-party open camera app from Play Store. So if you're looking for reliable wireless microphone, then check out the Digitek wireless microphone and receiver today.